Your data pipelines are delayed. Your invoices are processed manually. Your teams are still waiting for answers that should have been ready yesterday. Kanerika's proprietary platform Flip changes that, built to streamline how your data moves, transforms, and delivers value, using the power of AI. At its core, Flip uses AI and machine learning to ingest data from any source: email, SFTP, websites, cloud warehouses, and transforms it automatically. Structured data, unstructured documents, and real-time streams. Flip handles all of them. Need to modernize a legacy system? Flip accelerates data migration by preserving your existing business logic. So moving from old BI tools, warehouses, or ETL platforms doesn't mean starting from scratch. Then there's AP automation. Flip's AI reads and extracts data from scanned invoices and PDFs at over 95% accuracy and 100% for electronic formats. It plugs directly into your ERP, routing approvals automatically and eliminating manual data entry entirely. And when your team needs answers, Flip's generative AI copilot lets anyone ask questions directly from their data. No BI ticket, no wait. Just answers instantly. Running across all of it are Flip's AI agents, catching pipeline failures in real time, flagging mismatches before they reach your team, and keeping every workflow on track without manual oversight. One platform, AI integrated from the ground up, built to move your data and your business faster. Explore what Flip can do at Kanerika.com.